What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm showing you guys a fishing toolbox. And it's brand new, and it comes with the bob, a rubber worm, and other stuff, and hooks it comes with, yeah. And this comes out like that. Comes with pliers, so you can get the fish, the hook out of the fish's mouth. Some weights, 60 pieces. Thing to catch bluefish with, and some bait to catch trout bait to catch trout with, yeah. And next I'm gonna show you guys the fishing pole and some of these random things. Say what these are in the comments, because I have no idea what these things are. If you guys know what these are, leave a comment. What's up guys, I'm back. I just had to go get the fishing pole, and this is what the fishing pole looks like. You guys might be able to see what it says on there. That's what it says on there. And yeah, and that's the part of the back of the pole. And here's the reel. It is a pretty good sized pole. I wouldn't suggest trying to catch shark with it. It's not strong enough to catch shark, but it's good enough to catch catfish with. You can see it says American Hero on it. Got a little American flag. Yeah, and it's cool. Yeah. Yeah. And that's about it for this video. I'm out.